In the world of the military, precision, discipline, and preparedness are paramount. However, even the most well-trained soldiers and advanced equipment can experience unexpected failures. Training exercises and equipment malfunctions have led to some notable military fails throughout history. These incidents, often characterized by mishaps, accidents, and sometimes tragic consequences, serve as reminders of the inherent risks in military operations. This video delves into some of the most significant military fails related to training and equipment, highlighting the importance of safety, maintenance, and continuous improvement. 1. Grenade training accidents, the dangers of explosive ordnance. Grenade training is a standard part of military preparation, but it carries inherent risks due to the nature of explosive ordnance. Several incidents have occurred where grenades failed to function as expected, leading to accidents. One notable example is the incident at Fort Bragg in 1991, where a soldier accidentally pulled the pin on a live grenade instead of a dummy grenade during a training exercise. The soldier, realizing the mistake, threw the grenade, but it detonated close by, resulting in serious injuries to several soldiers. This incident underscores the critical importance of proper handling and clear differentiation between live and training equipment. 2. The V-22 Osprey development issues, a high-profile setback. The V-22 Osprey, a tiltrotor aircraft used by the U.S. military, faced numerous challenges during its development and testing phases. The aircraft, designed to combine the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the speed of a fixed-wing plane, suffered several crashes during testing. One particularly tragic incident occurred in 2000, when an Osprey crashed during a training mission in Arizona, killing 19 Marines. Investigations revealed issues with the aircraft's design and mechanical failures, leading to significant redesigns and improvements. The V-22's development struggles highlight the complexities and risks associated with introducing new and innovative military technology. 3. The HMS Nottingham grounding, navigational errors. In 2002, the British destroyer HMS Nottingham ran aground on rocks off the coast of Australia, causing severe damage to the ship. The incident was attributed to navigational errors, including a failure to properly chart the ship's course and inadequate attention to navigational aids. The grounding of the HMS Nottingham serves as a stark reminder of the importance of precise navigation and the risks associated with human error in military operations. The incident resulted in costly repairs and raised questions about training and operational procedures. 4. The T-72 tank exercise, disaster, overconfidence, and miscommunication. In 2017, a training exercise involving T-72 tanks in Russia went awry when a tank fired a live round instead of a blank, striking another tank. The incident occurred due to a miscommunication and a lack of clarity regarding the use of live ammunition in the exercise. This mishap highlights the dangers of miscommunication and the critical need for clear protocols and procedures during training exercises. It also underscores the importance of double-checking equipment and ammunition types before exercises begin. 5. The USS Forestall fire, equipment, failure, and human error. One of the most devastating naval accidents in U.S. history occurred in 1967 aboard the aircraft carrier USS Forestall. An electrical malfunction led to a Zuni rocket accidentally launching and hitting a parked aircraft, causing a massive fire and subsequent explosions. The fire resulted in the deaths of 134 sailors and extensive damage to the ship. The USS Forestall disaster was attributed to both equipment failure and inadequate firefighting training and preparedness. The incident prompted significant changes in naval firefighting procedures and safety protocols, emphasizing the need for rigorous training and equipment checks. 6. The Mars Climate Orbiter mishap, conversion errors. In 1999, the Mars Climate Orbiter, a spacecraft developed by NASA and intended for climate study on Mars, failed during its mission due to a simple yet critical mistake, a failure to convert units between metric and imperial systems. The error caused the orbiter to enter Mars' atmosphere at an incorrect altitude, leading to its destruction. While not a traditional military fail, this incident is a powerful example of how minor errors in calculations and conversions can have catastrophic consequences. It underscores the importance of attention to detail and rigorous checks in all high-stakes operations, including those involving military technology and equipment. 7. The Chernobyl disaster, training and protocol failures. The Chernobyl nuclear disaster in 1986, while not strictly a military event, involved significant failures in training and operational protocols. During a late-night safety test, reactor operators made several critical mistakes, leading to a catastrophic explosion and release of radioactive material. The incident highlighted the dangers of inadequate training, poor communication, and the failure to follow safety protocols. The Chernobyl disaster had far-reaching consequences, not only for the immediate area, but also for nuclear safety practices worldwide. 8. The friendly fire incidents, identification and communication failures. Friendly fire, or incidents where military forces mistakenly attack their own side, is a tragic and often avoidable occurrence in military operations. These incidents typically result from failures in identification, communication, or coordination. One notable example is the Pat Tillman incident in 2004, where the former NFL player turned Army Ranger was killed by friendly fire in Afghanistan. The incident was initially misreported, leading to controversy and investigations. Friendly fire incidents emphasize the importance of clear communication, accurate identification systems, and thorough training in combat scenarios. 9. The USS Indianapolis sinking, miscommunication, and delays. The sinking of the USS Indianapolis in 1945, after delivering critical components for the atomic bomb used on Hiroshima, was a tragic event exacerbated by miscommunication and delays in the rescue operation. The ship was torpedoed by a Japanese submarine, and because of a series of bureaucratic errors and miscommunications, the ship's absence went unnoticed for several days. The survivors faced harrowing conditions, including exposure, dehydration, and shark attacks, before being rescued. The incident highlighted serious flaws in communication protocols and the need for improved distress signaling and rescue coordination. 10. The Challenger disaster, O-ring failure, and ignored warnings. The Challenger space shuttle disaster in 1986, while primarily a civilian space exploration tragedy, involved military personnel and underscores the importance of listening to technical experts. The disaster was caused by the failure of an O-ring seal in its right solid rocket booster, a problem that engineers had warned about. The decision to launch despite these warnings resulted in the deaths of all 7 crew members. This tragedy serves as a reminder of the importance of heeding expert advice and prioritizing safety over schedules or political pressures. 11. The Stryker vehicle overturns, handling and training issues. The Stryker, a family of 8-wheeled armored fighting vehicles, has been involved in several incidents of overturning during training exercises and operations. These incidents have been attributed to factors such as vehicle handling characteristics, terrain, and driver training. The overturning of Stryker vehicles highlights the importance of thorough training in the operation of military equipment and the need for ongoing evaluation of equipment safety and handling protocols. 12. The Blackhawk Down incident, misjudgments in urban warfare. In 1993, during the Battle of Mogadishu, 2 U.S. Blackhawk helicopters were shot down by Somali militia forces, leading to a prolonged and deadly battle in the city streets. The incident, depicted in the book and film Black Hawk Down, revealed several tactical and strategic misjudgments, including underestimating the enemy's capabilities and the complexities of urban warfare. The Black Hawk Down incident underscores the importance of adapting military tactics to the environment and the need for comprehensive planning and preparation for urban combat scenarios. Military fails, whether involving training mishaps or equipment failures, serve as valuable lessons for armed forces worldwide. These incidents highlight the critical importance of rigorous training, clear communication, meticulous planning, and continual reassessment of protocols and equipment. By studying these failures, military organizations can improve safety, effectiveness, and preparedness, ultimately enhancing their ability to achieve mission objectives while minimizing risks. Understanding and learning from past mistakes is essential to advancing military practices and ensuring the safety of personnel and civilians alike. Thanks for watching.